Hello, dear students. Welcome to part 8 of the lesson Festivals of Northeast India from your textbook of Communicative English. Dear students, Nagaland, a mountainous state in Northeast India, is a home to diverse indigenous tribes. Folk dances and songs are essential ingredients of culture of the Naga tribes of the state. So, children, let us know more about the major festivals of Nagaland. The text SGP 9. Nagaland consists of different groups of people who are unique in their customs and traditions that they celebrate. Songs and dances form the souls of these festivals. Celebration of these festivals is an effective means of preserving and passing down their oral history. A major Naga festival is Moschu, celebrated mainly in the villages after sowing season. Dressed in colorful cloths and headgear decorated with feathers and wild boar tusks, the people in villages dance to the traditional music. One of India's most colorful and charming festival is Nagaland's Hornbill Festival. Named after the state's most admired bird, the event showcases the cultural heritage of 16 tribes there. It is a 10-day-long cultural dance and sporting event held in December every year. Men clad in full warrior costumes show off their hunting and warring skills. Notes and Glossary SGP 9. Effective, successful in producing a desired result. Preserve, to maintain something in its original state. Passing down, handing over or transferring. Boar tusk, elongated teeth of a wild male pig. Admired, praised. Heritage, a practice or set of values that passes down from generation to generation. Form the soul of. Form the inner part of. Oral history, collection of historical information which is not written but is passed on by people who remember past events. Clad, to cloth. Show off, to exhibit the best quality of something. Sporting event, athletics activity. Summary SGP 9. Not for nothing is Nagaland known as the land of festivals. The people here are unique in their costumes and traditions. Festivals are means of their oral transfer of history. The sowing festival, Moschu, is a major festival of people of Nagaland. The hallmark of this festival is the colorful costumes and the headgear worn by the village people during the dance. Dear children, the beautiful headgears are decorated with feathers and wild boar tusks. Nagaland boasts being the glorious habitat of about 16 tribes. Hornbill is one amongst the most popular festivals of Nagaland, where almost every tribe of the state takes part. It is one of the most colorful and charming festivals of India. It is named after the hornbill bird of the state and being observed for 10 days in December every year. The dances symbolize hunting, food gathering, and other activities of the people. The men cloth traditional warrior costumes and headgear. They showcase their hunting and warring skills. Now, dear children, answer these questions. Name to Naga festivals. Which Naga festival is named after a bird? What helps Nagaland protect and continue its history? Describe the Naga dance during the festival of Moschu. What does Hornbill Festival showcase? Now, the answers to these questions are as follows. The names of two Naga festivals are Moschu and the Hornbill Festival. The Hornbill Festival of Nagaland is named after the hornbill bird. Celebration of the age-old festivals makes Nagaland protect and continue its history. During Moschu, the Naga people wear colorful cloths and headgears decorated with feathers and wild boar tusks. The Hornbill Festival showcases the cultural heritage of the 16 tribes of Nagaland. Thank you.